Alright guys, what is up? So today we're gonna do a Chick-fil-A segment. I'm gonna try to make the Chick-fil-A sandwich. So let's go Chick-fil-A.
Alright guys, I got the chicken sandwich meal. So let's give this a taste test. Alright, so it is very crispy. The bun, it is very soft and pillowy. We got butter on them. It is a light sweet bun. We'll do almost like a brioche. Now we got the chicken fillet. I see some seasonings in it, like black pepper. It's very crispy, so I'm gonna just do like a one dredge thing. It's juicy. Definitely got marinated in pickle juice and salt. The breading, maybe black pepper for sure, salt, paprika, maybe a little bit of parsley. Okay, we're gonna do homemade bun, and it's gonna be very easy. Maybe 11 ingredient recipe. And yeah. All right, let's go. All right, first off, we are gonna make the tangzong. Put this on medium low. 2 tablespoons of milk. 4 tablespoons of water in it. Give this a quick stir. All right, now we are gonna put in 2 Whoa, that's a bad lighting. Now we are gonna put in 2 tablespoons of bread flour. Give this a stir. Looks like this. Let's put it aside and then let's start blooming our yeast. Alright guys, I got my milk here. I got half a cup of milk, a couple pinches of sugar to feed the yeast, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and just give this a quick stir. Alright, while this blooms, we're gonna get our flour mixed with all of our dry ingredients, and yeah, form the ball of dough. 350 grams of bread flour. Okay, we have 350 grams of bread flour in there. Now let's add some sugar. 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Simple. Alright, next we are gonna add a teaspoon of salt. Now let's go melt some butter. You're gonna need to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Alright guys, here we have the flour mixture, the salt, and the sugar. Just give it a quick stir. Now we are gonna add our milk. We got the half cup, and look how much the yeast rose. That's what blooming does. So just gonna add it all in. We should get all the yeast in there. Egg plus egg yolk. Our tangzong. And we're just gonna stir this for 5 minutes on low and let everything incorporate before we add in our melted butter. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Our dough is coming together. Let's add our butter in. Time for another 3 minutes. Okay, our 3 minutes is done. Let's go knead the dough by hand for around 10 minutes. Alright, here's our dough. It's nice and smooth. We are just gonna knead this for 10 more minutes until it's smoother. Here's a good kneading technique if you haven't kneaded yet. So you just want to fold it in, push down, turn, fold in, like that. Alright guys, so I finished kneading my dough. What we're gonna do is just pull it so we just close the bottom off. Put it right in. Wet towel, or you could use a regular like Bounty towel, and we're just gonna cover it and then let it rise for about an hour to an hour and a half until double the size. Okay guys, we have the dough. It's been doubled. Now let's just take it out. Alright, let's measure. Let's see how much this whole thing weighs. Okay, so it's about 674. We're gonna aim for around 110 grams per ball. Alright, repeat the process and I'll be back once you're done. Alright, I finished blowing out all mine. Now you just want to cover with the same size pan on top and just leave it at room temperature for around an hour to an hour and a half until it doubles in size again. Alright guys, it's been an hour and it's enough time to rise. Look at this. Beautiful. 1 hour it took me. So now I'm preheating the oven and we're gonna make an egg wash. 1 egg. Right here. And then tiny splash of milk. Okay, and then whisk it and then boom, egg wash. Alright, our oven's at 370. Let's start brushing our buns. Alright, let's pop this in the oven for around 16 minutes and then I'll be back. Alright, our buns are done. Let's take them out. Okay. I got the buns here. Just gonna separate them. Oh yeah, it's so easy. This bun is so soft. Oh yes. Alright, look how soft this is. I could just punch it down like this. It's so soft. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's let these cool for about half an hour to an hour, and then let's start our chicken. Alright guys, here we go. We have we're starting off with two chicken thighs, but you can do breast if you want. And then we got a container here. We're not gonna use plastic because we're friendly here. Half a cup of pickle juice with some pickle slices in it. Perfect. Now we're just gonna add our thighs in. Just coat them like that. Make sure they're fully submerged. Oh yeah. Just pat them down, make sure they're fully submerged. And then we are gonna add some fresh Himalayan pink salt, which is a little bit saltier than normal sea salt. I'm gonna do about 1/4 teaspoon. But if you're using sea salt, do like half a teaspoon of salt. Just do 1, 2, 2.5. Perfect. Add some black pepper. Alright, perfect. Now we're gonna leave this in the fridge for up to 3 hours to overnight. But if you leave it marinating longer, it's gonna become more tender and amazing. Alright guys, let's set up our dredging station now. So, since I only have 2 chicken breasts, I meant thighs, we're just gonna crack 1 egg into a bowl. And then we are gonna do half a cup of milk in it. For the flour part, we're gonna do a heaping scoop of 1/3 cup of flour. Probably be around a half. Okay. We're gonna add around 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Now we're gonna do a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of paprika. A couple of cranks of black pepper. Now let's start dredging. I got my chicken here. Look at the chicken. Looks nice and tender. Yes. Has a deep pickle smell. Okay. So the process of this is gonna be flour, egg, flour. I'm gonna keep one hand dry, one hand wet. All right. So we're just gonna press this in really good. You want this to be really good so it doesn't fall off during frying. Alright, now we're heating up our oil. So we want to aim around 350, 360, 375. Right, here we go. Medium heat. Let's drop it in. Okay, we're gonna let this fry for about 6 minutes, and we're gonna butter our buns in the meantime. We'll slice our bun in half. Some butter, and then throw it on the pan and toast it, basically. All right. Turn your pan to medium and let it preheat for 2 minutes. All right. So basically, we're just gonna put it face down on the pan, one at a time. Just apply a little bit of pressure and keep your hand here for about a minute. All right. So it's almost a minute. Let's see. Okay. So rub it around, you know. Out. Okay, our chicken is done. So remove your chicken, right? And then put it onto a cooling rack with tinfoil on the bottom to save you pain of hassle. Right there, let it just chill. And repeat the process for your other chicken thigh. Thigh if you had. Alright. So here's more flavors. So just give it like a nice coat of black pepper on top after it's done. Alright, here we go. So, we're gonna do pickles on every single angle so we get that pickle action every single time, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, beautiful. And to top it off, Chick-fil-A sauce. If you don't have it, do Dijon mustard, mayo, and barbecue sauce until it tastes right, because that's basically what it is. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, beautiful. Alright. Let's cover it up. Oh my gosh. Look at this beauty right here. Look at this. Alright, let's go taste test. Alright guys, I'm actually super excited to try this sandwich. Look at the chicken. The chicken goes with the bread really nice. So let's give it a try. I'm getting the pickle taste from the chicken. Yep, they definitely marinated in dill pickle. Okay. This is actually a good sandwich. Is it better than Chick-fil-A?
No.
Yeah. No. The bun definitely needs work. But the bun, it's just the size of the bun.
Make a lot of noise when you eat.
So do you.
I don't. What other seasonings did you put on here?
3 secret ingredients. huh.
Better put the pickles away.
They definitely use chicken breast because it's not as juicy like this. But since you use thighs, it definitely does penetrate through the breading more easily. It makes it more soggy. Well, I'll give this like 7 out of 10. Not bad. Well, that is it, guys, for today. Please be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Bye.